Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can go ahead and delete your Gmail search history. So first go ahead and open up my Gmail. So right here on the top right hand panel, you'll see Gmail right here, or you can come here and click on Google Apps and you'll find your Gmail right here. You can go ahead and click on that and they'll open up a new tab for your Gmail. And if I come here on search mail, you will see all my different search history that I have made. As you can see, I have a few. I have 4. Now the thing is, guys, you cannot delete everything as once. There's no option like that. What you basically need to do is come here, hover over each one, and click on the X to delete them, okay? Just click on that X, delete each one by one, until you do not have any left. And it's really that easy and simple.